In today's episode, we look into 8 amazing benefits of turmeric in gardening and how to use it singly or in combination with other stuff to make it more powerful. First, pesticide. Turmeric is a superfood for us, but ants and other pests hate it. To repel pests, especially the ants, sprinkle some turmeric powder around the plant base and leaves. Just remember one when using organic product, persistence is the key. Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric powder around your plants. Turmeric is a superfood and apart from its uses in the kitchen, it can be wonderful for your plants too. These turmeric uses in the garden are the best examples to repel ants. Turmeric can be used as an antifungal agent in plant tissues culture media at ppm level. It's great idea of using turmeric as antifungal agent in plant. So turmeric is very much beneficial for our plants. The second use is mix turmeric powder with the soil. One of the most common ways some gardeners use turmeric is by mixing turmeric powder directly with the soil before transplanting the plant. This approach has double benefits: repel the unwanted insects, protect the roots of the plants against several types of fungal disease. Ensure that you do not exaggerate with the amount of turmeric you add to the mix. Too much of this powder can have a negative effect on the plant and may reduce the quality of the soil. Try to use not more than 15 to 20 grams of turmeric powder to 12 quarter of soil. Because of the natural antifungal, antiseptic, and antibacterial substances discovered in turmeric, it can become a viable replacement for a list of synthetic pesticides and fungicides that are extremely harmful to the environment. Third amazing benefit of turmeric. And another way to apply turmeric powder in your garden is to make a sprayable solution that you will pulverize directly to the foliage of the plants. Mix about 20 grams of turmeric powder with 1 liter of water or around 80 grams to 1 gallon if you have more plants to spray. Stir the solution for a few minutes until the powder is completely mixed with water. After that, the resulting liquid is ready to use. Use a garden sprayer and pulverize the solution directly on the leaves of the plants prone to fungal disease and harmful insects. The best time of the day for using this mix is early in the morning or in the evening. Reapply the foliage turmeric treatment once every 2 weeks. A downside of the approach is the color of turmeric, which will produce temporary yellow stains on the surface on the leaves of the plants. That might not be very upsetting when applied in your garden. Tree wounds is the another way to use a turmeric amazing benefits in your garden. Similar to humans, open injury of plants can susceptible the different kinds of diseases and infections, particularly the fungal rot. Due to his antibacterial and antiseptic nature, turmeric is also a natural remedy to various types of plants wounds. You can make a turmeric paste and over the affected wound area the plants, and it also help the healing the stem or branch fracture. This Turmeric treatment is commonly applied after pruning roses, tree grafting, and any other solution when the plant becomes exposed to external damaging factors. You can also apply turmeric powder on the incision of the cutting of the plant you want to propagate before inserting it into the potting mix. There are several different ways to prepare turmeric organic pesticide, and due to its natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties, turmeric is also a natural remedy for plant wounds. A solution of turmeric powder combined with water and applied to any plant open wound will act as a protective barrier. Wound will act as a protective barrier against fungal diseases and harmful plant viruses and bacteria. Plant can suffer wounds from different reasons. For instance, some of the most common plant wounds include animal damage, broken branches, insect attack, pruning, grafting. Similar to humans, open wounds in plants like make them susceptible to different diseases and infection. Turmeric can stop the fungal development and control fungal infections like powdery mildew, downy mildew, early blight, leaf blight, brown stem rot, and other plant fungal diseases. Besides fighting the harmful insects from your garden, turmeric also possesses natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. This means that with a single application, turmeric can protect your plants for both pest and fungal disease. Though there is no substitute to neem oil for pest control, to make a powerful and broad spectrum pesticide using turmeric with other stuff. If neem oil is not available at your location, you need to mix another stuff depending what you want to treat, like for example, powdery mildew, mix 2 tablespoon turmeric powder to 100 gram of milk and 2 tablespoon of white vinegar to 1 liter water. Mix it well and spray it on the affected area of the plant. This is the best treat of powdery mildew disease or any. This is vinegar, guys. White vinegar you can take. Mix it well into the turmeric liquid water and spray it on affected area. This is the best treatment for powdery mildew. Secondly, you can take garlic solution to the best use of removing mildew or and any fungal disease in your garden. Add 4 to 5 cloves of crushed garlic. Mix into turmeric liquid and mix it 1 tablespoon neem oil into it. Just keep aside this liquid for 4 to 5 hours, and after 5 hours it is ready to use it. So you thank you friends.